In this very quick video guide, I'm going to show you a website where you can get free content like images, graphics, and audio and video files. And these will be all for any use. So they could be public domain, or they could also be license, like Creative Commons license. So we're going to check it together. If you search for on Google Openverse WordPress or WordPress Openverse, this is the name of the project. So if you go here in the GitHub page, you can see that this is a project and it's open source. They're going to give you all the information and code. You can also participate. If you go here to make Openverse, you can see that there is a development team and people involved in the creation of this project. Of course, you can also donate and support the team in the ways that you find usually in the website. So the middle one here, it's the actual search engine. So if we go here, search for content to reuse, and this is the URL. It's wordpress.org/openverse. So this is where you can also get involved and support as well. But you can do the main thing, which is searching for content. So for example, here I'm gonna search for Christmas, and let's do search, and a lot of images is gonna appear here, and then you can start to filter to see what's also in the, well, this is the image section, so you can see what's in the audio section, and well, you can see here it's under development, so we will have to wait for this, but we already have images. And here in the left side here we have different licenses and public domain. So if you want to see only public domain, you can go here to CC0, and these are all completely free to use pictures that you can use, or you can also use the public domain mark right here, or you can also decide if you want to use the other Creative Commons licenses, so you can activate everything, but be careful on the type of rights that you have using these other Creative Commons. So if you want to know more, you click here and you can see what you need to do. For example, with this type of license, you need to credit the creator. You cannot use this for commercial uses, and you cannot create derivatives or adaptations. While if you see here the CC BY, which is one of the most permissive, you can just credit the creator and then do whatever you want. Now, if you want to know more about Creative Commons, you can click here and continue. You can also search in our channel for Creative Commons video guide, and that's gonna explain to you a little bit better where you can find all this information. Now, the other things that you can do here, well, let's stick for these three, which are the most permissive. You can see here if the image it can be used commercially, it can be modified or adapt, and also you can search here for different types of content. So for example, you can search for illustrations or digitized artwork or pictures, photography, and so on. And you can also filter for the type of content and format, so PNG, JPEG. You also have GIFs, which are animated images, and then you have SVGs, which are the, well, we need to change probably the type of search here if you want to find something better. Okay. So this is SVG, which means scalable vector graphics. So these are vector graphics. Let's search for character. Okay, so you can see that everything you see here can be downloaded and used. And then you have the aspect ratio. So if you want tall, wide, square, image size, small, medium, large, and also you can filter the source here from, for example, DeviantArt or Flickr or any other source that you want. Now, when you find something you like, you can also click here, get the image, right click and save the image, or you can get here to the image website directly. And this will be all for this video guide. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video guide. Subscribe and join the channel to support us.